Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. प्यारे बच्चों, picture of some distances are given here. You have to identify which distances get cured quickly and which distance does not get cured quickly, and paste them in their proper column. Okay? Okay. Let's start. Who will come and take the picture? Come, Khadija. Take one picture. Which distance is it? Say loudly.
Stomach upset.
Stomach upset. Which column? Even finish column. Get wet. Bolo. Say. Shabash. Get wet quickly. Very good. Clap for us. Shabash. Now next, who will come? No turn is miss. Come. Which distance is it?
Scotch finger.
Very good. Scotch finger. In which column it will come?
Get quickly.
Very good. Get wet quickly. Very good. Shabash. Clap for us. Good. Now who will come next? Fayaz, come. Say that this is name.
Cold.
Cold. Very good. In which column it will come?
Get quickly.
Shabash. Get wet quickly. Very good. Clap for him. Now last bench. Come. Come fast, beta. Take one picture. Which this is it is?
Typhoid.
Say loudly.
Typhoid.
Typhoid. In which column it will come? Bolo. Do not. Do not get wet quickly. Very good. Clap for us. Shabash. Now will come. Say that this is name. Which this is it is? Bolo. Say that this is name.
Chikungunya.
Loudly.
Chikungunya.
In which column it will come? Very good. Do not get wet quickly. Very good. Clap for us. Now will come. No time is come. Say that this is name. Wait, this is it. Say.
Sprain ankle.
Shabash. Sprain ankle. Very good. In which column it will come? Sprain ankle.
Get
Zone se say loudly.
quickly.
Get wet quickly. Very good. Get wet quickly. Shabash. Clap on him. Now who will come? Up. Come. Go ahead.
Malaria.
Say. Show me the picture.
Malaria.
Okay. Malaria. In which column it will come? Okay, bolo.
Do not get wet quickly.
Very good. Do not get wet quickly. Very good. Clap for him. And that's good.